Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting. I am your host, Malka. We have been putting out numerous videos with information for you to get you from zero to one, to get you from broke to bankable, to get you from poor to rich, to get you from rich to wealthy. Whatever level you are, one of our videos will help. Today, we are going to get started with how to get hired fast. You want to get hired fast? Watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Step by step. Here we go. One, you need a job fast? Stop randomly applying everywhere. Do this instead. Step one, fix your resume. Before you apply anywhere, you want to update your resume, remove old information, and add skills clearly. Fix it. Then, for example, customer service, type in Microsoft Office, communication, sales, data entry. Those have to line up. A bad resume get ignored immediately. So you want to fix your resume. Next, step two, apply to high hiring companies, companies that are known for hiring. Don't waste time applying only to your dream jobs. Apply to companies that hire in volume. Example, you have remote call centers, warehouses, healthcare support, customer service. Those companies hire in high volume. So they'll be looking for 10, 20, 30 people. You're not competing against 100 applicants for one job. You're not competing 30 people for one job. Apply to 5 to 10 jobs daily. You want work fast, you need to apply to 5 to 10 jobs daily. Step three, apply early. Most people apply late, but I was a corporate recruiter, and when I go in as a corporate recruiter, after I get my coffee and sit down and put up my systems, I'm looking at resumes. So you want to do early morning. Have your resumes get in early morning. Why? Recruiters often review applications first thing. As a corporate recruiter, that's what I used to do. I pull the resumes, print them, and I go through that, then line up the interviews for later on that afternoon or the next day. Step four, use keywords from the job posting. If the job says customer service, communication, or data entry, your resume should also say those things. This help you pass automated system. They have AI system that scan your resume and they look for the keywords, the words that apply to the job that we are recruiting for. So whatever we were recruited for, when we run it through the AI, AI would pick up those words. Next, you want to answer calls and emails fast. Sometimes when you're hiring for like 10, 20 people, what companies do is they're calling and they're sending out emails, and those who respond is in the next class next week. Sometimes, a lot of times, I'll have like, let's say, a training class coming up, for example, next Monday, and I'm like, whoa, they're like, we need 10 more people. So whoever responds, I call them in, interview them, and they're in the next training class. So you can miss opportunities not answering your calls because guess what? You see that's an unknown number or you just respond slowly. Answered unknown numbers. Recruiters, we don't wait. Check your phone and your email constantly. Step six, be ready for interviews. Practice simple questions. Tell me a little bit about yourself. When I say tell me about yourself, I don't want to hear like that you like chocolate donuts. Yeah, I had someone actually told me that. Tell me about yourself. You want things relevant to your being responsible, relevant to the job. Why do you want this position? Research the company. Why do you want this position? What are your strengths? Confidence matter. Step seven, take temporary work if needed. Don't wait for the perfect job. You need work now. So, temporary income is still income. You can do delivery apps, warehouse jobs, seasonal work, and side work while you are applying. Yahweh is going to have you get something. You just got to get moving. Movement creates momentum. And Proverbs 14:23, the word from Yahweh, in all labor there's profit. All labor there's profit. You apply to 5 to 10 jobs daily, you're going to get a job. Here are some other tips. Be consistent, take action, apply urgency, apply daily, respond quickly, and keep moving. Glory to Yahweh. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is BahtKaleb Consulting. Praise Yahweh. You can reach us at www.bahtkalebconsulting.com. Shalom.